Hello, this is Kia from Petals Bath Boutique, and in this video I'll be making a soap featuring sea moss gel and a Dead Sea salt brine solution. I started by blending soaked Irish sea moss and purple sea moss with spring water to create a gel, and then I'm going to allow this gel to cool or chill overnight, and it's going to thicken up. I'm going to be using the heat transfer method. So here I'm blending my liquid oils with my hard oils to get everything nice and smooth. Now I'm adding in some Dead Sea clay, and that'll be followed by the chilled sea moss gel. And this was about 7.5 ounces of gel, so I just deducted that from the amount of liquid needed for the lye solution. Here I am adding in the hot lye Dead Sea brine solution, and I'm going to mix this and bring it to a light to medium trace. I'm using titanium dioxide for the white portion of this soap, so I'm just going to get this all mixed in and set it aside for a little bit later. As you can see, this is Russian blue Cambrian clay, and I'm going to be adding this in, hoping that it will make the soap a nice blue color. It started off a little blue and then very quickly turned more into a gray color. The blue just completely disappeared, but I was prepared with some blue iron oxide on the side just in case. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in. We'll add it in a little bit at a time just to until I get to the color blue that I'm looking for. This is an essential oil blend of oak moss, lavender, sage, and a touch of peppermint. Earlier I said that this was blue iron oxide. To be more specific, it's ultramarine blue. And when it's added directly to the soap, it can sometimes create little specks. And I found that it seems to disperse better in water instead of in oil. So this soap actually already has a water discount. Like I did like a 20% water discount. So adding that little bit of water to the colorant is not going to mess anything up. Just giving this a bit of texture before adding the next layer. And if you all hear any noise in the background, I apologize. We have some construction taking place out back, and I could have waited, but I really wanted to get this video. All right, so I wanted to create a line to divide the blue from the white portion. So I'm going to use more of the blue Cambrian clay to create that line. And I wanted to get it on here pretty thick. Like I wanted to get a really nice coating of it. So I'm just spraying it with rubbing alcohol periodically, just to make sure it's stuck well to the soap. Like I don't want later for it to separate after it's cured or anything like that. So I'm just going to spray it just to make sure the clay is really sticking to the surface of the soap. Here I'm just adding some of the dried purple sea moss to the top, and I'll follow that up with some blue cornflower petals and Dead Sea salt. And there you go. So I'm going to let these rest for 24 hours and then be back for cutting.